Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. It's good to have you here. As always, we've come with a video which we think is of great value to you. Today we will show you a collection of useful wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you never knew you needed. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Imagine this: you walk into a room devoid of furniture. The stark emptiness is overwhelming. No chairs to sit in, no tables to gather around, and no shelves to hold your belongings. The overwhelming sense of bareness creates an awkward silence, making it difficult to imagine how life within that space could be enjoyable or functional. Now envision the same room, but this time it is filled with various types of wooden furniture. The scene transforms dramatically. A sturdy dining table invites family meals, cozy chairs beckon you to sit and relax, and bookshelves brim the stories waiting to be explored. How does furniture, particularly wooden furniture, shape our daily experiences and interactions? And why is it essential in enriching our lives? The answer lies in the profound impact that furniture has on our well-being, functionality, and social interactions. First and foremost, furniture serves as the backbone of our everyday activities. Consider the simple act of eating. A well-designed dining table brings people together, facilitating shared meals, conversations, and family bonding. Without it, meals would lack the communal aspect that fosters relationships and promotes a sense of belonging. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. In spaces without furniture, meaningful interactions would become challenging, isolated, and devoid of warmth. The simple presence of table can transform a dull meal into an event filled with laughter and shared stories. Moreover, furniture plays a vital role in promoting comfort and well-being. Imagine trying to relax at the end of a long day without a couch or an armchair. You find yourself sitting on a cold, hard surface, longing for the embrace of a soft, supportive seat. Quality furniture offers a sense of refuge in our chaotic lives, creating spaces where we can unwind and recharge. Wooden furniture, known for its warmth and natural aesthetic, enhances this experience even further. The tactile nature of wood invites touch, and its comforting appearance creates an inviting atmosphere that draws people in. This connection to furniture not only impacts our physical relaxation but also contributes to our mental health, allowing us to feel more at home within our environment. In addition to comfort, furniture significantly influences the functionality of our spaces. Each piece is crafted with a specific purpose in mind, improving the usability of a room. Desks provide dedicated areas for work and study, while beds offer restful sleep, each serving to emphasize our daily routines. Without furniture in this context, everyday tasks become cumbersome or impossible. A world without desk would mean a disarray of papers scattered throughout and a lack of organization. Without beds, the simple act of rest necessary for recuperation and health would become chaotic and unhealthy. The organization that furniture brings to our environments helps streamline our lives, enhancing productivity and making day-to-day activities more manageable. Furniture significantly influences the aesthetic appeal of our living spaces. The design, color, and materials chosen can either elevate a room or detract from its beauty. Wooden furniture, with its rich textures and varied grains, add an organic elegance that can enhance any decor. A well-furnished room conveys thoughtfulness and attention to detail, creating an atmosphere that reflects personal style and taste. Imagine entering two homes, one adorned with mismatched items scattered haphazardly across the floor and walls, and the other elegantly furnished with rich wooden tables, chairs, and cabinets. The other exudes warmth and comfort, inviting visitors to linger and feel at ease. The visual impact of furniture influences our feelings about a space and can even affect our mood. The importance of furniture extends beyond aesthetics. It also plays a crucial role in establishing identity and cultural connection. Our choice of furniture often reflects our values, preferences, and heritage. For instance, families may pass down wooden furniture through generations, making each piece a vessel of stories and memories. A handcrafted dining table might be associated with family gatherings from childhood, embodying the connection between past and present. In contrast, when furniture is absent, those ties to heritage may weaken, leading to a detachment from the narrative that plays a vital role in establishing a sense of self. Furthermore, furniture becomes a reminder of who we are, where we come from, and the connections we share with those we love. Furniture also facilitates social interactions and gatherings. Think back to the last celebration you attended, likely centered around a well-furnished space. Whether it is a family dinner or a party with friends, the furniture facilitated camaraderie and communication. Sofas allow people to situate themselves comfortably, creating an atmosphere conducive to conversation. A lack of furniture would turn social gatherings into awkward affairs, leaving guests to awkwardly stand or sit on the floor. The presence of furniture shapes social dynamics, fostering inclusivity and engagement. When furniture invites people to gather, it cultivates environments where friendships blossom and memories are made. Additionally, in contemporary society, furniture contributes to the functionality of various environments beyond just homes. In workspaces, the right office furniture can enhance productivity, comfort, and collaboration. Desks, chairs, and conference tables design a landscape that influences how individuals interact with their tasks and colleagues. An office devoid of proper furniture would likely face issues such as decreased morale and productivity. Each piece of furniture in an office is integral in creating a space that supports efficiency and encourages teamwork, further illustrating how vital furniture is to our everyday lives. When we bring furniture into our spaces, we also design environments that cater to our needs. For instance, outdoor furniture transforms patios and gardens into additional living areas. These spaces, furnished with wooden tables and chairs, create inviting settings for barbecues, family gatherings, or simply quiet afternoons enjoying nature. A lack of outdoor furniture would render these spaces underutilized, limiting our ability to connect with the outside world. Furniture also allows us to take advantage of every inch of our homes, encouraging us to live fully both indoors and outdoors. Moreover, furniture significantly impacts the organization of physical space. Bookcases, cabinets, and the storage units play an essential role in maintaining order and reducing clutter. In homes without furniture, belongings may pile up, creating chaos and can lead to frustration and anxiety. A well-furnished living space, on the other hand, promotes organization, aiding in the management of our daily lives. Storage solutions not only provide functional benefits but also foster a sense of calm and clarity. When everything has a designated place, we can navigate our spaces more easily, reducing the stress and enhancing overall quality of life. The emotional value of furniture can also not be overstated. Pieces that hold personal significance, like grandmother's hand-carved rocking chair or a unique wooden coffee table made by a local artisan, can evoke feelings of nostalgia and warmth. These items tell stories and create emotional connections within our homes. A lack of such treasures may result in a more sterile environment, lacking the richness of personal history. The emotional resonance of furniture provides comfort and companionship in our daily lives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, useful wood furniture and wood decor pieces, ideas you never knew you needed. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.